take this off. Like, what if he breaks? Oh, I don't want him to break. Why is he so cute? He is so freaking adorable. I don't know if I want the plate there though. Oh my god, I am so excited about this, you guys. It finally came. So I have been looking for some vintage jack-o'-lantern Halloween lights, and I found some on Amazon, and they were saying that they were going to be around $15. I've had them in my cart for 2 months, and I just haven't wanted to get them because I thought I saw some on Shein for $8. I went on yesterday and I'm like, I'm gonna bite the bullet. I want to get the lights. I'm just gonna buy them. So I went on to Amazon yesterday, and tell me why they were $6. I am so excited for this. Are you guys ready for this unboxing? Let me see. Oh, it is so cute, you guys. Oh my god. Okay, let's get some batteries. What? Oh, it's on flashing. So it has flashing mode, and then it also has on. So just 2 modes. This on mode and then the flashing mode. So cute. I love it. They won't sit in there. I have this little vase or like canister that used to be a candle. I'm sorry guys, let me try. The ISO is crazy right now. I don't know that I can go any brighter because we're shooting against the window, but I have this little canister that used to be a candle, and I actually cleaned it all out. I will say though, it does still smell like the candle, so I'm a little apprehensive about using it as a canister, but I wanted to put some cinnamon sticks in here. It's so cute. It has like this wooden lid with this pink pumpkin on top. So freaking cute. Here are my cinnamon sticks. I don't have many of these because I use them a lot. Oh no, I think they might be too tall. Maybe if we lay them down. They fit if we lay them down. I'm sorry YouTube's going in the background. I don't even know what's on because it's just playing. It's been playing all day. I swear it's the freaking little things that just make me so happy. I think we should put it here for now. I might have to move some of this, like this candy dish, that might get moved. I wanted to put the plug in the wall, by the way. It's, I think it's pumpkin carving in here. But I have this fly zapper up because we've been having an issue with fruit flies. And I think it has to do with like the fruit that we've been having. I don't know what it is, but there's just been fruit flies everywhere. So I have that up. So I didn't want to plug it in just yet, but the plan is to put that over here. And then I have my little canisters right here. The coffee pot that used to go here, long story. Eventually though, actually I might just put it underneath here. Eventually though, I want to put an air fryer like right here next to the stove if I end up staying here. Again, you guys, all of this is tentative, but yeah, that is what she's giving. I still have a lot more decor to put up. Okay, dolls, don't mind me. I'm off camera because I have a face mask on, not looking the cutest. But I wanna, let me turn the ISO up a little bitty bit. I hung this garland up and I wanna actually add some lights to it. So I got these off of Amazon. They're pretty inexpensive. I think they were like $7 for 9 of them. Because this garland was so hard to get up because it is so long, there's actually 2 put together. I didn't want to take it down just to add the string lights, so I'm just gonna like do my best to kind of string them while they're hanging. So I found these really cute teddy bear towels at Burlington, and I like them so much more than the ones that they had at Home Goods, and they were half the price. They also have little bats and candy corns and pumpkins on them. So adorable. And how festive are these hot drink bombs from Target? So cute! Okay dolls, so this is what the kitchen ended up looking like. The theme that I was going for in here was Falloween, so I wanted to do a backdrop of fall with pops of Halloween, and I thought the teddy bear collection was the perfect collection this year for the Falloween theme. Obviously, if I had more time, I would have gotten the soap dispenser to that collection, as well as the salt and pepper shaker, so I'll still be on the hunt for that. Hopefully we can find them during the clearance Halloween sale, but I love how everything came out. It's very cozy vibes. The garland was perfect. I'm so happy I went with the idea of putting the garland up above, underneath the cabinets, I guess. I think that that's so much more cozier than hanging it over the window. I did go ahead and paint the pumpkins. By the way, this garland is from Shein. They also sell it on Amazon as well if you dolls are interested. The little jack-o'-lantern lights were the star of the show. I wanted to find a plaque to decorate the windowsill with, but I wasn't able to find one this year. We'll save it for next year. And I also put out my little ladle, and look at this garland. I'm sorry, I'm just obsessed with the garland. I think everything came out super cozy and perfect. I hope you dolls enjoyed this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you loves in the next one.